Welcome to the Sellora tutorial video. In this video, we'll show you how to add variations to an existing listing on Sellora. Let's dive in. Start by logging into your seller dashboard. From the top navigation bar, click on Listing, then select My Listings. Here, you'll see all your listed products. First, copy the SKU of the product you want to add variations to. Click the three dots next to your selected product and choose Edit Catalog. Now update the following fields: model name, model number, manufacturer, part number. Then click Save and Next. In the Variation section, select Yes to add variations. Paste the copied SKU, and some fields will autofill. Then define your variation type, such as color and size. Now, add the color, add the size. Upload a variant image. Click Save Variation. To add more variants, repeat this process. Once done, click Save and Next, continue with the remaining details, and finally click Submit and Publish. Your product will now display all its variations like this. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.